Good morning, folks. It is day 2 here at the Sendy Señors on our cabin trip. Right now we are making some breakfast. Brett is helping Chet cook some pancakes up. We'll be enjoying that. Soon after, we're going to be going out and ripping. Just warming up his dirt bike. Doing that. Ethan decided to wake up.
Dude, I've been waiting.
We got some healthy pancakes going here. This is a nice big one here.
Oh boy. Oh.
Oh.
It's not going to stay together.
Let it go.
What are you doing here, bud?
Bleeding out.
Bleeding out. Playing doctor?
Doctor.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
A
sir.
little cut.
Just a little puny cut.
Just a little cut.
Just a little one.
Oh my goodness. We gotta take care of that.
I know.
Are you gonna be able to
I bleached it all night. I stuck my thumb in a bottle of bleach.
Alright folks, we're going riding right now. I'm gonna take the GoPro up and bring the camera up also, and we're gonna do some fun stuff up there, so we'll see you at the top. Alright, so as you saw from that lovely GoPro footage, we just did some absolute wonderful riding up there. I'm going to throw in a quick B-roll section here. It's super awesome. Check it out. Chet, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Pretty
And
good.
a little tired, groin's a little loosened up.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to roll that B-roll section right now and enjoy that real quick. Ethan, how's the riding?
What?
How's the riding?
It was wet. Dude,
How's the riding?
It was awesome.
It was awesome?
Yes.
Ooh.
It was awesome.
Ooh. Right now we're gonna go to the store and we're gonna be picking up some lunch meat to have for lunch here. About lunchtime, and we need to eat some good food. And we're gonna snack and eat and then go up and do some more stuff. So yeah, we will be going out to the store. I'll bring you guys along for that. Let's eat the meat. There we go. Good stuff. Ethan, what are you getting?
Mayo.
Mayo? Where's it at? Carter, let me see that.
So we got mayo.
We got the Arizona sweet tea. That is the good
Yes,
stuff.
for you.
Just need to get some charcoal here to cook up some steaks and stuff on the grill.
Charcoal.
Just picking out what kind we want. Grocery run is finished. We're going to get some fuel here for the Duramax. Keep her running. Oh!
Didn't even go.
What are you trying to do?
Didn't even go.
Trying to scare Brett again, like in the van. Remember that?
Gear the heel.
Oh, hell, boy.
Yeah, Bobby, baby.
Oh,
There it is.
yikes.
Alright, we're back from the store and getting some fuel. Gonna make some food here, eat some lunch. Got some nice meat here. Some mayonnaise. Alright, we just had some good lunch. We made some mac and cheese with our sandwiches. And right now we're going up to do some shooting.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, those are high.
So we're gonna go and ride up to the top of the mountain, and we're gonna do some fun stuff up there. We'll see you at the top. We're gonna shoot. We're gonna shoot.
Yes.
We're gonna shoot.
Yes.
Yes.
I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
All right, we're up here at the top of the mountain. We got some shotguns and some shells that we're currently yeeting across. Let's see one.
Hold up.
Oh.
My hands are cold. It takes a while.
How much you want to bet he's only going to hit one?
How much you want to bet I'm sniping all three?
All three of them.
Pull! Jam, jam, jam.
Oh, you dusted that one.
Yeah, and that was one shot. Look at him.
What you doing, bud? What's going on?
Cold.
Cold. Oh! All right. We're going back down here. Just finished up some riding after we just finished up some riding after we did some shooting here, and Carter's four-wheeler decided to say yeet, and yeah. So right now, we're gonna go back and eat some dinner. Should be good. All right, we are back from shooting and riding. We're cooking up some dinner right now, so we're gonna take you out and show you some of that stuff.
So this is the cap.
Right here.
So we're trying to get our fire going for our fire.
Safety first, safety first.
And right now we're gonna flare. Got a flare to start the fire because we don't have anything else to start the fire, unfortunately. Hold up, hold up, Jet's coming.
Come on, we need our safety glasses.
Oh,
Come on, Dilly.
get them safety glasses on.
My hat don't fit with them on.
Cross.
Where's your safety glasses, sir?
My eyes are closed.
Yeah, that's
Left. Left.
Left.
Oh!
farther left.
That's why I have safety glasses
That's a
on.
good idea.
Yeah, you're like, the flare's not gonna work.
I didn't know it was self-lighting.
Look at all that.
It smells so strong. Yeah, I'm turning off the ground bed. Alright.
Alright, now he's got a lit flare. That's a big flare. Oh my goodness.
Cause that, Chet.
Huh?
Cause that was gonna happen when I let it down.
Yeah, brother.
I burned the hair off my hand.
Yeah, let's be careful that doesn't light the house on fire.
Okay.
I have another one. You want another one?
Yeah.
There we just killed.
Got Chef Chet here. Oh my. I thought it was a fog.
Oh, we should stick
Might
this
want
one.
to move those.
Let's stick this one.
Alright, you go ahead and open it. I'm not opening it.
Just swing it over.
Oh, you're just going to eat a whole bunch. Goodness.
Like I said, just swing it over.
That was mine.
Jeez.
Goodness. You okay in there?
Chet, what temperature are we cooking here with?
think it's about
69 degrees.
Oh,
How long is the video were they?
Dang it, I think it's upside down.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna leave it.
94.20.
Oh, I'm good.
You can flip it over to you.
Dude, this is the
funniest thing ever.
Who needs a vacuum when you can just burn all cobwebs? My wife's gonna tell me.
We're back on the Sendy Señors cooking channel.
You ain't made a triangle.
Charles.
Cooking with Charles.
That's a dirt bike.
with Charles.
Dirt bike kickstand.
That's a dirt bike kickstand.
Hey, homemade tools are best tools.
So when do we put this on? When do we put this on?
Alright.
Okay,
let's
just to
not-
put that in perspective, that's compressed oxygen.
With gasoline behind it.
And then there's some tannerite inside.
Didn't know that could happen.
Wait, what happened? The handles fell
Is it-
off.
oh, is it-
Completely melted.
Is it plastic?
Plastic and then metal?
You just completely melted.
Good.
You close it, it's gonna go.
I don't know what the heck charcoal that was.
That's kind of cool though.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to.
We got the dirt bike stand. As long as he has the safety goggles on.
Oh man!
About spread out.
That's pretty good.
I'd say
That's a
you
check
can
'em on.
slap them on right there.
Blow it out real quick.
Carter's cooking up some mac and cheese. Got some good stuff cooking in there. Chet, you want to walk us through what we got here to eat?
Oh, we got macaroni cheese by yours truly, Carter's.
Chef burger.
And we got some venison steaks and chops that are a little charred because the charcoal was a little ridiculous.
Jacked up charcoal.
Yep, we got the milk with the fancy pop-up lid.
Let me see that again.
Oh, never seen it before. One of a kind.
And most of all,
The Sweet Baby's Rays.
Chet.
How's it taste? Open up.
That's thick. The best.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
Alright folks, we had our dinner there, as you saw. Enjoyed that very much. After that we played some cards here, I worked on some editing, and then basically relaxed, showered, and got ready for bed, which we're gonna be going to here very soon. Brett's already headed that way. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap here for day 2 with the Sendy Señors here up at the cabin. Tomorrow we're expecting to be doing some more riding around and some shooting, some special shooting. You guys will see about that tomorrow. So hope you all enjoyed this. We will see you in the next video.